back here on Chris's 81 Imperial. I got help today. Brendan's in town.
Hi, guys.
He's saying hello to all three of you. Yeah, so compressor's going to come off. Belts, obviously got to get loosened up. Compressor off and out. Easy enough. Get the old dryer handle too. And let's go. Brendan.
Yes.
Do you like yucky noises?
Yes.
No, you don't. No. We got lucky. Because that could have went, see you later, bye. And the fan would have put it through the radiator. And the belts would have went flying. And then we'd have to go pick Chris up with the trailer. Or AAA it. Whatever, same thing. I'm like AAA, but definitely I cost more. All right, so to get to the back bolts of the compressor, we need to undo our fuel pressure regulator, which we did. So now I got to get this bolt out, pop this baby out, then we can get to the bolts. Remember when we did that with the shifter years ago? All right. Back to the business here. All right, so the new one, 'tis a hair shorter, but you know, it's modern. But all the bolt on chingaderas are in the proper space, it appears. Let me do it from this angle. Oh yeah. They're good. They're good.
This is here.
Yeah, that's no big deal. But so we're gonna pull this bracket off, put it on the new one. The big difference is factory is one wire. This one's two for the clutch. So we just take one of those wires and ground it onto the case, and then the other one, we're just gonna pop this connector off here, pop that connector off there, and then slide that spade into here. Be done. Done deal. New compressor's mounted. We had to take the upper hose off, but that's been easily resolved. So we're gonna handle that. Probably do the belts here next. I'm doing the fuel pressure regulator. Fun times. All right, so we're just making our ground connection because we had to kind of get creative with electrical because nothing is the same. It's so quiet. There's nothing leaking now. We've only had to replace every seal twice, and actually ended up putting the original ones back in here because the ones that came in the kit sucked. But the ones in the kit are working pretty good over there. But next step's gonna be, we already got refrigerant going in. And hot diggity damn, man. We're gonna have AC here in like 10 minutes. And then we get, what are we having after this?
Carne asada fries.
Carne asada, dude, fries. Asada, dude. Don't break it.
Try to get the splish.
And then I'm gonna hook up the battery. Woohoo! All right, gonna take this baby for a little test drive around here. But she's cold. Yeah.